for me to become level 7. I'm really proud of them, and I'm so thank you for that. Um, before joining BG, I used to be a day trader. Before day trader, I am a mortgage broker, real estate agent. Yeah, I does everything. I do everything I to make money, and I really love to be on any network because I believe that network will bring us, the monthly income. If you get in the right network, you will make a pretty good income. But I never had any luck before. For many years, I've been doing so many things, and it did not work out. 2025 December, my best friend, my good friend, I have to tell you that he is my hero. He shared this opportunity to me, but I did not believe it. He said, Cynthia, come here, come with me, do the trading. You don't have to do trading. The company does the trading for you, and you will make pretty good money in here. So he just started, and he shared with me. I don't see anything really um, for me to attract, for me to feel like I can make money. He said that whatever amount that you put in there, the company take out only 1% for you to trade. And that's how you make money on your 1% of your trading account. And I told him like, wait, if I put $10,000, 1%, only $100, I don't see that I can make money in here. So I put it on the side. 4 months later, basically during that 4 months, I did a lot of trading. I did not make money. So I went back to BG. I look at the conversation, and I think this is not bad. So I'm so happy that I did not give up. I go back in there and I tried it. I put in $500 from the beginning to try out because I Google it. I see BG. It was not really something that I like to do because I see a lot of scam, a lot of things talk about negative about BG. That's the reason why I did not do it for 4 months. But I was wrong. I was really wrong, guys. So I am here today for someone that is just started or someone new on the Zoom tonight. I'll let you know this is the greatest opportunity that you should never miss. Okay. Even though that I missed 4 months, but I'm so glad I'm still here. I'm still here on the Zoom with you, and I will share with you my journey. I started only $500. I think like a week later, I add another 500. The reason I put another 500, so total of my initial investment, $1,000 with BG. Because I see a lot of people in here, every time they trade, they show that trade, they make money. They make $1,000 a trade, they make $500 a trade, $30 or $50. I feel real to me. At the same time, I trade myself over, at home. I spend hours to trade. I don't make that much. One day, yes, I do make. One day I make 1,000. One day I make 2,000. One day I lost 5,000. So it's very frustrated. So make it short. 1,000 total investment with BG. As of today, 11 months, I have withdrew total around $400,000. And with my monthly dividend income and my trading account, I'm currently right now making close to 300K a month. So, this is real. I am a real person. I'm an investor of BG. I don't work for BG. I'm not BG employee. I'm share with you with the bottom of my heart. So BG is the best place for us to be. So, and later on, after my presentation, I will have some friends will share with you about their journey. So you will see from there. Okay. Now, when I become level 7, the company give me a car. A car you can get anyone in for 2026. Anyone achieve level 7, you will receive a car between $50,000 to $300,000. You can pick any car you want within that range. So this is Mercedes GLE that I got it in this September 29th. That's the date that I received my level 7. Okay. Now, people telling me like this car is 300,000. No, this car is not 300,000. So this car I picked with including everything is about
I don't
close to
have no
2,000, I
salmon.
believe.
Oh,
Okay.
that's pork chop.
Now, before the presentation, I have a little disclaimer. This presentation is not financial advice, or enticement, or guarantee of any results. The results in the BG investment project are based on your efforts, determination, and focus, and following the instruction and guidance of Professor Stephen Beer. The Stephen Beer is our the BG, CEO of BG for the trading signals. Now, BG is a Web3 trading project on DHA exchange that requires a crypto to participate. Today, my presentation is not an investment advice, an offer or solicitation, or for a purchase or sale of investments. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves a high amount of risk, in which you may lose some or all your investment funds. So you should not invest with a fund that you cannot afford to lose. Okay. Now, can you copy and paste? If you can copy and paste, this is the place for you. Okay, I make it very simple here that you can see that come to BG Web Sharing. You will know how to double your money in less than 60 days. You know how to earn up to 1.8% daily return. You know how to receive monthly dividend income up to $1 million. And you know how to receive rewards up to $2 million. Now, joining BG Sharing. The good thing about BG, and I like it, no membership fee when you join. You don't have to pay any membership fee. No monthly fee, no yearly fee, no trading experience needed. So if you know nothing about trading, do not worry. All you need to know how to copy and paste. No degree or no license required. No product selling. No auto shipping. No pressure. So a lot of people thinking networking, we have to bring people in order to make money. With BG, you still make money without bringing anyone in here. Okay. No boss, you are your own boss. No dress code. You can wear short. You can wear, very, very, very easy. It's very simple and easy system. You can work from anywhere you want as long as you got the Wi-Fi. Connect with your cell phone. Now, to prepare doing BG, to make money, at least the minimum required, you need to have the cell phone or laptop or your desktop. So, whatever convenient. I use my cell phone all the time because I travel, I go everywhere. So this is the money making for me. This is my cell phone. If you are the person willing to learn, this is a good place for you to make very good money. Now the investment here, the minimum investment, you only need about $300. But I recommend it at least $500. Okay, there's a reason for that. So the next few slides, I will show you the reason why we need. Now, in front of you, you see the picture right here. For some reason, I don't have a good picture of his, kind of blurry, but I will try to do better next time. The man right in front of you, his name is Stephen Beer. He's the CEO of the BG We're Sharing. The BG founded in 2018. BG signed 10-year contracts with the DHA exchange in 2022 to enhance verified retail investor traffic. He combines academic insight with a practical trading experience, creating a hybrid investment model that pairs human judgment with AI and data signals. So basically, you go in here, you don't have to do anything. AI, does everything for you. Dr. B has a strong track record of mentoring leaders focused on risk control and measurable performance. I love the way that he does, because when we come in here, you put only 1% in your trading account to trade. So your risk almost nothing. Okay. As of January 2026, the DHA exchange operates over 120 countries, and BG right now we have over 500,000 members. When I started in April 2025, it was like a little bit over 300,000. So in only 11 months, 200,000 people increased. BG Wealth Sharing is currently US and aim to establish in headquarters in Colorado in 2026. So hopefully by August, we will have another event from the company, and I'm hoping I cannot wait to see the Dr. Beer. I think everybody in here cannot wait to see him in person, right? Now, BG Wealth Sharing and DHA Exchange, building the future of wealth and digital assets. I put it here for someone. You feel free to take a picture. So I put the one side for BG Wealth Sharing and the other side the DHA Exchange. Okay. Now, the BG Wealth Sharing is a powerful long-term wealth sharing strategy. Grow their profits by building a strong connected team. The sharing economy, bringing together investors from around the world. The goal, earn higher, more stable returns. Why is that? You will see the next few slides that I will have it. I explain to you more. BG has a system experience and vision to create a thriving ecosystem where everyone benefits. On the DHA chain, then where we signed the 10-year contract with them, the DHA chain is a global platform serving millions of users, delivers some of the fastest, most comprehensive spots transaction in the industry. By February 2023, I set among the world top 100 exchanges. Innovative instant contract investment model has not only won the trust of traders worldwide. Their AI software is amazing. They got the winning rate at 99.6%. This is a really amazing AI software that we're having. The DHA chain is setting new standards in the digital asset space and is now preparing for its making the next step in its remarkable journey. Now, this performance of 2025 BG, after all the expenses, all the company paid the rewards, everything. So the net that BG making $104 million in 2025. So you can imagine 2025 at the time that a little bit over 300,000 people, but this year I'm pretty sure we are having over $1 million for sure. So the company will make a lot of money. And back in 2000 last year, like Thanksgiving and Christmas time, the company given out the promotion total of $26 million directly from Dr. Beer's own fund. Okay, so that you receiving a lot of conversation, but sometimes that he throw out the conversation just like today during this time because the women like International Women Day, so he has another promotion. So take advantage on this and make more money. Okay, now this one that I just make it a little bit shorter, so for people like summarize what we are right now. So BG Wealth Sharing Group established 2018. BG signed 10-year contracts with DHA Exchange, and right now we are already 3 years. We are getting to the 4th year. So based on what the Dr. Beer he say that by next 5 years he will resign another contract with the DHA Exchange. Now, BG officially filed tax IDs, the state of Colorado in April 2025. Again, I keep saying it. The BG has over 500,000 members worldwide. DHA chain operate over 120 countries. Now, BG vision of 2026 for back in last year, November 2025, the company
Upstairs.
The company we had the annual event in Las Vegas last year. So basically, by that time, the level 7 was the highest level. And I thought that I'm very happy with level 7 that I'm getting right now. But at that time, our CEO announced that he extended for level 8 to level 12. You can see that the company is growing. So level 8 to level 12, that means that you make more money for your monthly dividend. So I will show you later on for the next few pages. When you become level 7 or above, you will become a shareholder. Um, but of course, with the CEO will look at your performance, and he will determine who will be qualified to be a shareholder. And I think like a month ago, um, we have right now we have I think about 200 and maybe close to 300, 230 level 7, and we have about like 9 level 8, but he only selected 15 people are qualified to be shareholders, and I'm very proud to say that I am one of them. um, in my team, we have 2 people, me and Linda. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So that means that you will earn extra money. Every 6 months, you will get something from the company, which is I really don't know how much, but I'm happy with whatever I can get more. In this year, 2026, the BG, our CEO, he looking to increase to 1 million members globally. And the good thing about in this year, our CEO put extra $60 million in his investment to build 300 financial centers in the United States. That's a good news. When people studied before me, and when we shared the opportunity of the BG opportunity, we always like make a phone call or ask people to come on Zoom. So we really don't have any office. And guess what? A lot of people, of course, like skeptical, and they are still now, because they don't see the physical office. They don't see who we are, where we are. They kind of concerned. But a lot of people know that a lot of crypto company out there, you don't see the office, you don't see the CEO, you don't see the face of the CEO. But with BG, you'll be able to see him once a week on Zoom. Okay, so that's a good thing that is given me a lot of easy ways to share with people, and for people believe me and enjoy with me, and not only me, for a lot of team members here. Now in right now, I think more than 50 centers already approved. So you will see more for this year. Okay. Now, joining BG, one good thing about BG, like I said again earlier, the BG, we are not taking the money from the downline to give it to upline, not like the other network that you seen before. Okay, and I will prove it to you in the next few pages. When you come to BG, you only need to invest once. You don't have to put more money every time. You don't have to. You can put only one time, and it benefits you for life. Okay, because I know that, for example, like me, I put in here investment only 1,000, but I'm already with to 400,000. So and then right now with my monthly income, I have to tell you, this is the best and the best. And I don't think anywhere out there that you can find this. Okay. Now, even you open the restaurant, even you are open the coffee shop or donut shop, there is no way that you can put $1,000 to open your own business. And with 1,000, there's no way that you can do that. And even I have a friend, she put in $650,000, open her restaurant, and she lost it. She lost the money. She did not make money, but she came with BG. I wish that she had here tonight. I did ask her, but she busy in Philippines. But she come to BG, and she get back half of her money that she lost with her business. So what I like to say, come to with BG. You don't have to have a lot of money to become a millionaire. Okay. Now, BG, that we have five ways to earn money. So the first one, everybody come in here, you receive two fixed trading signals a day with the 99.6 winning rate. And it is a compounding interest. So with two signals a day, you are making about 1.3% daily return. That's really high. Number two, when you bring in people, when you sign up people, you will receive the rewards and you will receive additional bonus signals. So the more signal you have, the more money you make. And number three, when you build your team, you will get the rewards $100 to $2 million. And number four, when you already become level one, from level 1 to level 12, you will make in the minimum of $90 per month to $1 million a month. Okay, and I will show you more detail on the next few pages. On the income number 5, every day you got two signals. But on number 5, you can earn the third permanent signal with the requirement. I will tell you more in the next few pages. When you have 3 signals a day, you are making up to 1.8% daily return. So which means that if with 2 signals a day, if you put in $1,000, you can earn up 50%, which is about $500. But if you put in $1,000, if you got 3 signals a day, you earn up to $800 a month. This is amazing. And when you are receiving your dividend, the dividend are distributed on the 9th, the 19th, and the 29th every month. So on today the 9th. So we receive whoever got level 1 or higher, you will get your dividend. And this is amazing, guys. Your network, just like you are working for the company, you are receiving your income on like a payday. I'm very excited. I cannot wait on the payday that I receive my extra money from my dividend. Now, talk about the compliance and fund safety. I used to work for Lockheed Martin. My background is I'm a software engineer, so I'm very logical person. It is something doesn't make sense to me. I have to find out until I understand. Now, and also work for Chase Bank, work for Bank America. So I've been trained. So anything about legals, if it's not legal, I don't do it. Okay. Now, like I mentioned to you before, when I joined in, I did not know how to search. Everybody goes on Google, go on YouTube, go on ChatGPT to find out the company information, right? I think that's very normal. What do you find in there? All the negatives, right? So if you don't find the right place to search for your information, you will lose the opportunity to become a millionaire. So the right way for you to do the research on BG, on DHA exchange, you go on the SEC Gulf for the DHA exchange. You go in here because DHA exchange, it does have the SEC license. So you can go in here and type in, DHA exchange, and you will see the whole information in there. And that's I suggest everybody make sure you get in the right place to search. Okay. Now the bottom here is safety of funds and profits guarantee. The word guarantee, I don't see anywhere that that you put your money in there, they guarantee your money back. Okay. With BG, you will see that. You will see that, and I will explain to you later. Okay. Now I'm going to go fast on the certificate and license, and you can ask whoever bring you to the Zoom tonight. They can send you the company PDF file. You can see all the certificate, all the license in there. So I don't want to waste time to go through. So I just go very quickly. Right here you can see the US the DHA exchange. They do have the SEC license. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have this one in Vietnamese. Um, okay. So I'm sorry, I forgot to explain because I do some in Vietnamese and I forgot to change this one. So basically, the DHA. Remember, the DHA has the license with the US SEC license, not BG. If you go on the government, you put the BG in there, you don't see it. Okay, make sure that you put in the DHA change. Now, the BG does have the register with the SEC, and we do have the RIA permission. So I do have one myself, but I'm sorry I don't wear it today. So we are registered to be the investor at transparency. We whatever the Dr. B shared with us, whatever he told us, he delivered. So that's one thing that I love about our CEO. He promised and he delivered. That's one thing very important to any company that you work with. Okay. Now this is the tripartite win-win-win structure. So the first person, we are three parties. Okay, and let me show you this one better. This one I draw this way so for you to understand. People ask me question, how do we make money? How does BG makes money, make a lot of money to pay you that much money, right? So this is very simple. Okay, we do the DHA change. They do all trading. Okay, now the number one, I put it here, number one, number two, and number three. Now who is number three? Number one. The number one is investors, just like me and you are in here. So we join BG. So the money that you put in for the investment, you put in the DHA change, where they do all the trading. And number one and number three, we are sharing. Okay, when you put your money in here, the BG only allowed to take out 1% of whatever your money. For example, if you put in 1,000, BG only allow 1% to be in your trading account. So which is $10. Now, when you say $10, you wonder like, $10, how can I make money? But I promise you, you will make a lot of money, even though with the 1%. Because the 1%, that's a risk management. That means that you will not bust your account with 1%. Even if even though they got 99.6% winning rate, but if you take out 1% to trade, what happened? 0.4%, the trade, you lost the trade, you won't lose the whole thing, right? So that's a very smart of Dr. Beer that he had that kind of strategy for the trading. So from the beginning, even though I was a trader, I look at 1%, I was like, I don't make money. It doesn't make sense. But after I joined, and I think that he brilliant. He's a very smart man. Okay. Now, so we are the number one. We are the investors. We put the money into the DHA chain to trade for trading. So we are splitting 60-40. So we get 60%, the DHA get 40%. Or we can get up to 65%, the DHA will hold 35%. So we are shared with them. Okay. Now, BG, the number two is BG. How does BG make money? BG will take the 30% of whatever DHA makes. The DHA share 30% to BG. So in order for BG to make money, BG open the network. So he bring a lot of people into the network like us. So the more people come in, the more money the DHA makes, the more money that BG will make. So make sense to you guys? So that's a lot of people asking questions. So this is very easy. So people wonder like, BG take the 99% that we don't do anything. BG will do something else, which is, I don't know what they do, but all I need to know is the money into my pocket. Okay, to make it simple, guys. Do not complicate it yourself. Do not make it so complicated. All we do is just copy and paste. The company provides signals from the DHA chain. That's how we make money. Okay, Now, these are 5 major advantages of the wealth sharing fund team. Now, number one, it's a long-term stable income. The world's unique AI trading combined data combined with signal winning rate calculation is high as 99.6%. Long-term stable income. What is it? Which is 2 fixed signals a day. Okay, that's what we are having. That's your stable income. Number two, the DHA chains hold licenses and business licenses for more than 30 countries and regions around the world, including the US security SEC license, Australian license, the Monetary Authority of Singapore license, Dubai Financial Services Authority license, and the Central Bank of Bahamas license. Whatever license they needed to operate, so you don't have to worry, but you feel free to do your own due diligence, research, make sure that you feel comfortable before you join BG, okay? Now, number 3 advantage is guaranteed fund protection. This is really huge to me. BG Fund Company is established 2024 with an initial capital of 30 million pounds. That's equivalent to 40 million US dollars. Ensuring the safety of all members' funds, tell the BG Fund Company and Professor Stephen Beer credentials are officially available. So which means that, when he put the money, 40 million US dollars in DHA, so in case if someone hack into your account, if it's truly you got hacked from your account, and company will reimburse to you, okay? Or if you got the failed signal, the company will give you another signal to cover the loss, the signal that you got lost, okay? So to me, the DHA exchange give you 99.6% winning rate, but to me, BG give you 100%. But you have to follow the instruction, okay? Number 4, a long-term project partnership. We have signed 10-year contracts. Basically, I just repeated, 10-year contract with DHA exchange. And number 5, the future income will be more diversified. Besides your 2 signals a day, you can build your team, you earn extra money, which is 5 income that I mentioned earlier. This is the proof that we got a 10 years contract with the DHA exchange. Now, this one more exciting. This is about more numbers, and I a number person. Okay. Now, when you join G, you can invest it as low as $300. But I said earlier I recommended $500. There's a reason for that. Okay. Now, if you put in $500, the newcomer you will receive $25 from BG, and the referrer you get $25 bonus from BG. Okay. Every day, everybody receives 2 signals a day. But if you bring someone in with $500, both of you, the referrer and the newcomer, receive 6 additional signals. Okay. Now, if any newcomer bring in 1,000 or more, the referrer will get 10%, which is 1,000 right here. You get $100. The newcomer will receive 5%. Okay, which is the 1,000, you get $50 here. If you got 3,000, the referrer get 10%, which is 300, and the newcomer get 5%, which is 150. On top of that, if you bring anyone with 1,000, the newcomers, you always get 6% bonus, but the referrer, you get 12%. Okay, on the first person put in 1,000. Now, if you sign up the second person with 2,000, you will get 16 bonus. Okay, the more bonus you have, the more money you make. Okay, now at this page, I will share with you, I will prove to you. Earlier, I told you that BG, we do not take the money from the downline to give it to the upline. So it's right here. So this is a good example right here. If the newcomer bring in 1,000, okay, the newcomer, you receive $50. So in your trading account, you will have $1,050. the referrer received $100 directly from BG. So BG never took away $100 from the newcomer to give it to the referrer. Okay, so you can see that. So in the newcomer's account, you still have $1,050. That prove it to you that BG never take out the money from the newcomer to give it to referrer. Okay. Now this is more exciting. Okay, if anyone in here love to build team, that's how I did. That's how I make a lot of money because a lot of investors in here, they from the beginning they say I don't build team. I don't know anybody. I don't want to share anybody. You still can make money from the beginning when your account activated. You still make money on the first day when your account activated. Now, I don't have a lot of money to put in here to make money. But if you are willing to share the opportunity to people, I can guarantee you will make a lot of money. So if anyone, please pay attention to this page, because this page all money in here from here. Okay. Now, our CEO always recommend us to share this opportunity. The reason he said I put in millions of dollars to build this network for you to make the money, and you should not be selfish. Keep the money to yourself. You need to share this opportunity to your friends, to your family members, and I strongly recommend everybody do the same thing. Okay. Now, if you bring in 5 people sign up directly under you, you will become level 1. With the level 1, you will receive $100 reward, and your dividend, your monthly dividend, you will receive $90 a month, but it divided in 3 times. Okay. And you will get paid on the 19th, and the 29th. So each 10 days, you get $30 on the level 1. That's the minimum. Or 0.5% of your total people in your team in their total trading account. Now, to become level 2, you need to have 2 of your direct among your 5 people. 2 of them become level 1, and 25 people in your team. So that means 2 conditions. Okay, so make sure that you guys understand 2 conditions. 1, 2 of your direct become level 1, and the 25 members in your team, then you become level 2. You will receive $300 reward one time, and every month you will get $450 divided by 3 times. Each time is $150. Level 3, you need to have 3 of your direct become level 1, and in your team, minimum 125 members, you will receive $800 reward. Every month you receive $1,500 divided in 3 times, each time $500. Will get $5,000 reward and $7,200 per month divided by 3. Each time is $2,400. Level 6 of your direct become level 1. 2,000 members in your team. You will receive $12,000 reward one time, and each month you will receive $15,000 divided by 3. Each time $5,000. Level 7, 7 of your direct become level 1. And 5,000 members in your team, you will receive 25,000 reward, and every month you will receive minimum of 30,000 divided by 3. Each time you will get $10,000. Like today's a payday, and I'm a level 7. Right now, I have in my team, I have over 52,000 members in my team in 11 months, guys. Is that amazing? I never thought I can, I can get that many people. But why I had that many people in 11 months? Because every single one in here is making money. Okay? We are very smart. We are very smart. If they don't make money, if we don't make money, we will not stay. That's for sure, right? So today, right here at the bonus percentage, so the company gives you either one, whichever higher. So 4% of my total members in the trading account. So today I received exactly $12,000. for my dividend. Okay. Now, anyone in this year, 2026, if you achieve level 7, you will receive a card between $50,000 to $300,000. Okay. Now, level 8 to level 12. This is amazing. Okay. Let me enlarge bigger. I want everybody to see it for you to put in your head. Tonight you go home to sleep. Probably you cannot sleep because you cannot find any company that you can make this much money in a very short time. Okay. Now level 8 right now. Level 8, you need to have 3 of your direct become level 7, 20,000 people in your team, and you will receive $100,000 reward. Every month you receive $60,000. Again, it's still divided into 3 times. Each time is $20,000. That's the minimum. Okay. Now, right now, level 8, we do have Gagan, is my apply. Currently she's level 8. Level 9, 4 of your direct become level 7, and 50,000 members in your team. You will receive $200,000 for the reward. Every month you receive $100,000. So right now in the United States, we do have one person, which is Mr. Gary. He is level 9, and he already received 200K, and he did receive, $100,000 a month. Level 10, you need to have 3 of your direct become level 8, and 100,000 members in your team, 50,000 reward. 500 reward, 500,000 reward, and every month you receive $300,000. Level 11, you need to have 4 direct become level 8, and 200,000 members in your team. You will get $1 million reward, and every month you receive $600,000 every month. Level 12, 5 of your direct become level 9, and 300,000 members in your team. You will receive $2 million, and every month you will receive $1 million. Is that crazy? Crazy good? Very excited. Very excited. I cannot wait. Now, this year, whoever received level 12, you will get the huge, what do we call it? Palace? Like a, how do you call that? With a $3 million. I forgot the word for that.
A villa.
A villa. Thank you, Misty. Yep, a villa with the fully furnished anywhere you want. Okay, so I can see that Gary, might be one of them with the first one. You never know, or Gagan, or Linda. Okay, so I cannot wait to see the people, any one of us, get the big house, and hopefully we are invited to come to their place. Right now, the another good thing about BG, when you on your birthday, you will receive $100 from the company with the condition you have to be a level 1 at that time. Okay, and also when you have 5 people direct under you, or anybody direct under you, when they become level 1, you will receive $50 with the condition that you have to be a level 1 before them. Okay. And a lot of things in here, I really love it. For example, if you want to share the opportunity to your friends, family members, when you gather your friends and family members to come to your house or open the event, the company will give you expenses for those thing that you pay for food. You do some catering, but you have to follow the company instruction. Okay, so more details when you get there, you can ask your upline, or you can ask the Elena or the CEO. He can explain to you more. Now, remember that I mentioned to you that we have 2 signals. Everyone join the company. You have 2 signals a day, but you do have a 3rd signal if you are qualified. Okay, we call the 3rd permanent signal. Now, everyone in here, I encourage everyone, try your very best. Get your 3rd permanent signal as soon as possible, because you will make a lot of money. Okay, how to get the third permanent signal? Very simple. You are a manager here. You bring in 5 people sign up direct under you, and each one have 5 people under them. Okay, so you got 5 of your direct, and each one of them have 5 people. They have to become level 1, right? So you got 5 people here direct, and then 25 people under here. So total, you need to have 30 people, and each account has to have $500 at the beginning when they sign up. Like initial investment has to be $500 minimum. Remember, I mentioned to you, you can put in 300. The 300 is you are qualified to be a member, and that can be counted for your total people in your team. But $300 will not be counted for you to become for you to qualify for third permanent signal. So I would strongly recommend if you can put in 300 to help you apply. That would be a great thing to do. If you can afford to do that. So the third permanent signal, you can earn up to 1.8% per day. Okay, of your daily return. Now, um, remember I said, we have the trade-in accuracy of up to 99.6%, but it's very unlikely that trade would lose. However, it does go by 5 phases. We have 5 phases that we can do it. Okay. Now, if that trade lose, okay, and remember that the company take out only 1%, put in your trading account. So if we lost that trade, then the company would give you another trade a different time. They triple the trade. Okay, you can see that from here. This is example for the fund for like about 605, but 1% is about, actually this is for $500 account. So 1%, which is $5, when we lose it, the company will give you the next signal with 3 times more, so which is $50 right here. And if the phase 2 fail, they give you another signal with 3 times of the previous one. So the 3 times, so you can see the phase 2, you get $45, which is 3 times the 15. And if this one fail, they give you the next signal, which is phase 4, 3 times of the $45. So if phase 4 fail again, so they give you the next signals. So they triple the earlier amount, so which is about 405 right now for this example. Now, if phase 5, if it fail again, the company has to stop. So at that time, BG will give all the loss that we have lost, including the profit that we're supposed to make. So basically, that you got it covered like pretty much like 100%. Even more, even you make more. For the last week, we got one fail, I think, and then everybody get a little bit extra. Okay, so people wondering like, wait a minute, the market out there, the Bitcoin going down, why BG keep giving us money every day? Is that beautiful? Do you need to know what they do? Do you need to know how they trade? No, you don't have to. All you need to do is just follow the instruction. They give you the signal. All you need to do is just copy and paste. That's all you need to do. Now, how to trade? Very simple, guys. Very simple. For someone that new here, let me move this one somewhere. Okay. Okay. Very easy when you log into your account. Okay. The trading time is 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern time. So if you are living in different Eastern time, that you can, convert to your time and make sure you got the right time. Now, when you log into your account, very simple, you will see the futures at the bottom, and you click, that's one click. And the second one is you click on the invited me's right here is your 2 click. And then you copy the signals from the company given to you, you copy, and you put it right here, you paste it right here, you copy and put in, you paste it right here, is number 3. And you click on the button right here to say confirm. Okay, that's your 4 click. And after you click the confirm, to make sure that your code is in there, is traded. Then you click on position order. When you click on position order, which is right here, and you will see it's a pending. That means that your signal is traded. Okay, so you're good to go, and you can go somewhere else, and then an hour later you come back, you will see your results. The result, you can click on, historical order. You can see the result, how much you make. Okay. Now, for the bonus signal, you do not need codes. Okay. You just go on there on time. You do the same thing. You click on futures. You click on invited me, and the and because the bonus is a pre-program, so all you need to do on time, you click on that button, and you get the money. That's it. That's very simple. Okay. Now, if someone want to do your own calculation, you can go Google. You can type in compound interest calculator, and you know that we are making 1.3 daily return. You can put the amount in here, whatever amount that you invested. So you can put in here, and then you put. We are trading 365 days a year. Every single day, you make money every single day. Okay, you put in here, and you will see the compounding, how much you make for every 2 months or every 6 months. You will see the result after you enter the numbers in there. Okay. I am okay. One more thing. Okay. Now, usually, whatever amount that you put in, invest in here, you are making about 50% per month. If you put in 1,000, you're making about $500 a month. If you put in $500, you will make about $250 a month. Okay. Um. Okay. Let me see if I can find. Let me go into one more thing. I like people to see this. Let me show one more page. This one about the compounding interest, and I'd like for you to see it. See that if I can do it somewhere here. Okay, right here. And you can take a picture of this one if you like, and I will show you this one. Right here. Okay. Now you can see this one. You can do it yourself. You can go in the Google. You can type in the compound interest calculator. So if you put in $500, in 2 months you double it. In 6 months you make about $5,000. In 1 year you are making about 55,000. In 18 months you are making about 570,000. With the condition that you do not miss any trade. Okay. If you miss any trade, some trades, the result won't be like this. Okay. Now with this one right here, if $500 in 18 months, you are making about 570. If you wait for 2 more months, on the month 20th, you become a millionaire. So if you have children, or grandkids, or children, you can put in here $500 for them, and then in 20 months, if you trade it for them, they can become a millionaire. So there's something here, like here, if anyone want to take a picture, you feel free to do that. Okay. All right. So I think okay, I think my presentation is done for now. So I'd like to call somebody to share their journey with us. So again, the people that I'm asking, they are not the Hollywood. They're just like us, investor like us, but they've been here for few months. Some of them been here for a year, so they can share with you their journey. Okay, so please